Hey, garden lovers! Have you ever dreamt of having a tranquil pond filled with beautiful exotic lotus flowers right in your backyard? Imagine those stunning blooms floating gracefully, adding a touch of peace and serenity to your outdoor space. Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn that dream into reality by planting lotus seeds. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to grow your very own lotus garden. Let's dive right in. Step 1, prepare your seeds. Get those lotus seeds ready. Lotus seeds have a hard outer shell, and to help them germinate, scarification, take your seeds and a piece of sandpaper or a file. Gently rub one end of the seed until you see the white layer underneath. Be careful not to damage the seed inside. This step helps water penetrate the seed and kickstart the germination process. Soak the seeds. Once your seeds are scarified, place them in a bowl of warm water. Change the water every day to keep it fresh and watch for signs of sprouting. This usually takes a few days to a week. You'll know they're ready when you see tiny shoots emerging. Step 2, planting the sprouted seeds. Now that your seeds have sprouted, it's time to plant them. Choose your container. You can plant your lotus in a pond, but a large container or tub works just as well.
Make sure it's at least 10 inches deep and wide enough for the lotus to spread out.
Prepare the soil. Use a heavy clay soil or a specialized aquatic planting mix. Avoid potting soil as it can float and make a mess. 2/3 full with the soil. Plant the seeds. Gently place the sprouted seeds on the soil surface, then lightly cover them with a bit more soil. Be gentle. We don't want to damage the tender shoots. Add water. Slowly add water to the container until the soil is just submerged. As the lotus grows, you'll need to add more water to keep up with its growth. Step 3, caring for your lotus. Your lotus seeds are planted. Now let's talk about how to care for them. Sunlight. Lotus plants love the sun. Make sure your container is placed in a spot where it gets at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Water quality. Keep an eye on the water quality. If you're using tap water, let it sit out for 24 hours to allow the chlorine to evaporate. Replace the water if it gets murky. Fertilization. After a month or so, when your lotus has established leaves, you can start fertilizing. Use a slow-release fertilizer specifically for aquatic plants and follow the package instructions. Pest control. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids. If you spot any, a gentle spray with water or an insecticidal soap should do the trick. Step 4, enjoying your lotus blooms. With proper care, your lotus will start to bloom in a few months. Lotus flowers usually bloom in the morning and close by afternoon. Each bloom lasts about 3-4 days, and new blooms will continue to appear throughout the growing season. Imagine sitting by your pond or container garden, sipping your morning coffee and enjoying the sight of these magnificent flowers. It's truly a magical experience. And there you have it, folks, a simple guide to planting and growing lotus seeds. With a bit of patience and care, you'll have your own little oasis of beauty and tranquility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.